Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. And today we have a 2010 Mitsubishi Outlander LS, stock reference number 4345. The shape runs from the 2nd month 2009 through to the 10th month 2012. There's a 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. Left hand guard has one small dent. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate has a small dent on top and a light fold down the bottom. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror has a tiny little scratch on the edge. And right front guard appears to have no damage. And right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a black cloth centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and the vehicle's only got 160,000 kilometres on it. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.